Welcome to Introduction to a DevOps Approach. After watching this video, you will be able to describe DevOps, explain when and why to implement DevOps, and list some of the DevOps services on IBM Cloud. The term DevOps comes from merging the words development and operations. DevOps is a software methodology that integrates application development and IT operations. With a DevOps approach, teams can deliver code faster to production. They can use market feedback to iterate continuously. Before DevOps, there were two teams that were responsible for code delivery: the development team and the operations team. The development team designed the code, delivered new features, fixed bugs, and tested the code. The operations team deployed the code to the different environments, maintained the uptime on production, and diagnosed failures. With DevOps, both teams work together to support the software lifecycle, from code design to deployment to production. You can use DevOps processes and tools to automate the build process, code testing, deployment to the different environments, and monitoring. Developers actively and continuously perform tasks to keep the automation, pipelines, and other entities in this realm up to date and even improve them, as well as develop code. DevOps provides many benefits. You can work from code to production in minutes. Work on your own or use the collaboration tools to work with a team. In minutes, you can go from source code to a running app. Accelerate app delivery. Innovate like a startup and scale for the enterprise. You can host an open source project, run a hackathon, or start a skunkworks project. DevOps code is continuously delivered and integrated into the main shared repository. Deploy with confidence. Leverage the repeatability of the process by using automation to ensure that the same steps are executed every time you deploy. Leverage automated testing as a quality gate before deploying code to a specific environment, or in some cases, to enable the monitoring or testing of the code in a live environment. The IBM Cloud Catalog provides services to enable end-to-end DevOps, such as auto-scaling, monitoring, and continuous delivery. You can access these services from the catalog by selecting the Developer Tools category. In this video, you learned DevOps is a software methodology that integrates application development and IT operations. You can use DevOps tools to automate the build process, code testing, deployment, and monitoring. And the IBM Cloud Catalog provides services to enable end-to-end DevOps, such as continuous delivery.